Okay, we got a 2003 Polaris Trail Boss 330 here up in the air on the hoist. Got to adjust the chain. I just did it. This chain was super loose. It's right where it needs to be now. Basically, it's pretty simple. You need 5/8 socket, 1/2 inch socket, extension, open end wrench, 5/8, pair of big channel locks. You're gonna take this bolt right here and this bolt right here. You're gonna loosen those up. It's a locking nut. You're gonna loosen them up, 5/8 on both sides, socket, open end. You're gonna loosen that bracket up on the axle. You're gonna loosen this bolt up here on this brake assembly clamp. Same over here on the bottom side, 1/2 inch. Just back them off, don't take them out. Then you're gonna take this hub right here. It's got some flats on it. I took a pair of channel locks from underneath and turned it counterclockwise towards the front of the machine. Voila, axle moves back, chain's tight, all's good. Really easy. Looks difficult, but it's really easy. Alrighty, peace.